Hey there. As we learned what are robots and what are blocks in the last video, like controls, motions, sensors, and logic. So today we will know what are math, loops, variables, and functions. Have you wondered, how do robot know, we should move these many steps, or we should move, turn left or right, or something like that? So come on, let's learn it today. So it is because of math. So in math, the first value we have here is 0. Or like you can place any value in this. Like it is just to tell a robot that we have a value 1, 2, 3 to infinity. So you can like insert as many as you want. It is like saying a robot that I have one cookie, I have two cookie, or I have three cookie, etc., etc. So the next block here, true or false. It checks if the value is true or false. True means correct, false means wrong, and it will work accordingly. The third block here we have is addition, subtraction, or multiplication or division. It is not just addition or subtraction or multiplication and division. It takes the value from the variable which you enter in this, and it will tell the robot to work accordingly. For example, you said 2 plus 2, so that robot will understand it is 4. Then we have reminder of dash divided by dash. This says that robot that it is divided like 6 by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So robot will understand that the value is true. I mean 2. And the fifth block here is dash is even. This checks if the value is even or odd. For example, if we have entered the value 2, then it says it is even. If we enter 3 and we keep it on even, then it will become false, so that robot will show some error, like there is an error doing this task or something. Then we have map value. This is one of the cool block from these many blocks, because it remaps a number from one range to another. For example, you say that robot move forward 1, 2, and 3 times. So and if you use this block, then the robot will remap it to 3, 2, 1. Or you can say that you have shuffled a thing like 2, 3, and 1, and robot will remap it like 1, 2, and 3. This is how this block works. So next, moving forward to loops. In loop we have repeat, dash times, undo. This is to command a robot to do something several times. Let's take move forward 3 times, move forward 4 times. So, and we will place a repeat value here, for example 3, so that a robot will move forward 3 steps, move turn left 3 steps, and it will be repeated 3 times, then it will stop. Then repeat while and do. This is to tell a robot while value is true, then do something. Like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. If it is 4, then move forward. If it is 2 plus 2 equal to 5, then it is false. Then you stop it. So this is how this block works. The third block, count with. This block is really cool because it have the variable take on the on the value from the start number to the end number, counting by specified interval and do specified blocks. So this checks. For example, you say that from point A to point B, we have 5 steps. So it will check, while jumping from A to B, it will count the values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 steps. So this is how this block works. Next, we have variables. The first one here is to create a variable. For example, here we can name anything to our variables, and it is just like creating a new box to command your robot. For example, now I'll name it as A and click on OK. And we have the set of variables named A, change A by 1, A, I, robot, verb. So this is like set A to dash. This is like adding a variable to equal to the input. For example, this block sets the variable to be equal to the input. For example, if we have input value of 2, then it sets this variables to for the value of 2 number. Then we have change a by 1. For example, we have the variable of 4. The 4 will be changed to 1. So this is how this block works. And these are like to rename the values of the variable. And moving forward to functions, which is the last block, to do something. This is to do something without getting an output. For example, you say that robot to move forward 3 steps and turn left or right and stop. The robot will move forward 3 times and turn left 3 times, and it will stop there without returning any outputs. Then we have to do something with return. This says the robot to move forward 3 steps, turn left, and again move forward 3 steps and return to the second step. Then the robot will move forward three steps, and it will turn left, and again it will move forward 3 steps, and then it will return to its second value, because we will be adding the value number 2 or anything you want. And the last block, if dash return dash. If the value, this says the robot that if the value is true, return to the second value. For example, 2 plus 2 equal to 4, then it means that it is true. Then we will be returning to the 2. So this is how the third block works. So now we learned what are controls, what are motions, what are sensors, and what is logic, what is math, and what is loop, variable, and functions. So this is how these blocks help the robot to understand what we want it to do, and it will do its task accordingly. So that's it for today. In the next video, we'll be learning how to implement these blocks to command a robot. So see you in the next video, future robot builders.